This is what Wainwright had to say of Catbells, standing at 1,481 foot. Catbells is one of the great favourites, a family fell where grandmothers and infants can climb the heights together, a place beloved. Its popularity is well deserved. Its shapely top knot attracts the eye, offering a steep but obviously simple scramble to the small summit. Its slopes are smooth, sunny and sleek. Its position overlooking Derwent Water is superb. Moreover, for stronger walkers, it is the first step on a glorious ridge that bounds Borrowdale on the west throughout its length, with Newlands down the other side. There is beauty everywhere, and nothing but beauty. Its ascent from Keswick may conveniently in the holiday season be coupled with a sail on the lake, making the expedition rewarding out of all proportion to the small effort needed. Even the name has a magic challenge. Words cannot adequately describe the rare charm of Catbells, nor its ravishing view, but no publicity is necessary. Its mere presence in the Derwent Water scene is enough. It has a bold come hither look that compels one's steps, and no suitor ever returns disappointed, but only looking back often. It has only to be seen from Friar's Crag, and a spell is cast. No Keswick holiday is consummated without a visit to Catbells. That's what Mr. Wainwright had to say about Catbells, and I've had a brilliant walk on it today in some glorious weather conditions. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoy the video. Well, good morning everyone, and welcome back to the MCM Outdoor Show. I'm in the glorious Lake District, and there's some snow on the fells. The weather forecast is pretty tasty. There's a bit of a snowstorm meant to be heading in a couple of hours, so I thought I'd make the most of it and head to somewhere different. I'm approaching Catbells. I've parked near Keswick. It's midweek, so I've been lucky enough to get a space in a lay-by just off the road here, but I'm looking forward to some snow. Looking over towards Grisdale Pike, I think there's some snow falling at just the higher altitudes, and the mountain weather forecast snow down to the very lower fells, so I'm excited and it should be a nice walk. I was up here yesterday and the views were spectacular. I've just come to Red Screes, just been having a little day trip around the lakes today. Look at this, snow everywhere, ace conditions. I only wish I'd have brought me walking stuff. I didn't think it'd be so good. Look at these drifts, massive snow drifts, spin drift blowing in off the fells. Look at that. It's just a shame that it's not like that today, but if we get some tasty weather conditions on the summit of Catbells, it's a lovely family friendly peak, and people thinking about doing the first walk in the lakes, you can't go far wrong with Catbells, so try it out if you're heading up for your first time. He likes it as well. Let's head up to the start of the walk and I'll speak to you. There's a little bit of scrambling on this one, nothing too testing, there's just one small rocky section as you get a bit nearer the summit. Hang on a minute, on cue. Let's get on the start of the walk. So it starts off at a fairly steep gradient from the road. It doesn't sort of ease you into it, but if you've come all the way from Keswick on foot, you know, says a bit of a warm-up for you. I've done that way many times with the Walsh mice back in the day, when we were young and sprightly, and it's a lovely route in the summer from Keswick. Weather, this rain is just starting to turn into sleet, so it's looking promising. Bang on forecast, the wind's picking up and this is starting to become persistent sleet now, so the forecast is turning out to be right. It says the conditions are going to be arduous as time goes on, so I've got some ski goggles just to protect my eyes from any driving snow if conditions deteriorate further. It's good fun as long as you're prepared. I've got GPS and an OS map and a compass, and the trails are very easy to follow on this. We did say whiteout conditions later, so we just have to see. But we're carrying on, warming up. That's Derwent Water behind me, looking over to Keswick. Onwards. That was a nice little bit of a scramble. Had to do it twice to go back and get my camera. Hey ho. Anyway, you can see our route. The summit there, that dome shape. The second one with a bit more snow on it. Brilliant. Quiet. Solitude. Great scenery, solitude. Considering getting the goggles out just to stop this happening. It's not pleasant getting ice particles directly into your eyeball at 35 and 40 miles an hour. That's cut my nose. Absolutely stupid. I just come on this bit of a ridge and it swung round full force of the wind and smacked me square in the nose. It's quite stiff material, so it's a bit of a stinger that. And you know, I've lost 7 pints of blood already. I need to get an air ambulance off the summit and go and have some tea and biscuits with the mountain rescue. You can really hear the wind whipping up over this ridge, so I'm getting my goggles on, so that's better. I don't care how stupid I look, these are here basically to serve a purpose, protecting my eyes from the wind and ice particles blowing in at 40 miles an hour. As you can see, the summit all the way up there, it's a quite exposed ridge. The wind is coming in from that direction and we're going to be really exposed to ice and snow particles, so it makes sense just to get these on. So we're going to take the time, we're going to head up that snowy ridge all the way to the summit, get some pictures and then find somewhere a little bit out of the rain just to take on board some refreshments. Really atmospheric, lovely winter's walk. sessions like this that this anorak really comes into its own. All I've got on under here is one merino wool base layer. This anorak, it's just like a hard, absolutely bomb-proof shell, protecting me from this atrocious weather. Base layer, Fjallraven Anorak No. 8. Well, that's where we've been, all on the tops. Come up all the way down there, all over them tops. And this is a lovely flat tarmac, so like a nice bit of a drive. It's nice to just be able to walk without thinking where I'm putting my feet. Take in some of the scenery and just relax as we're winding back down toward the car. Noisy, not happy. Right, next time, that one. I don't know, correct, I'm not an expert. Causey pike. I think it's Causey pike or eel crag. One of them. I want to do that. Look at that. Looks like the Matterhorn, doesn't it? Looks like the Matterhorn from this angle. The sun's coming out now. The air temperature's dropping. I'm going to head back down and trying to slot into the Traveller's Rest on the A591 back to Grasmere. I'm going to sit by the fire and warm up and we'll say goodbye. I'm about to head into the Badger Bar to go and hopefully bag a place by the fire, grab a newspaper or a climbing magazine and go and warm up for half an hour because I'm absolutely soaked and I haven't brought any spare clothing. It's chucking it down with rain, the weather's really deteriorating, so I'm glad I'm off the hill now. I'm going to go and warm up inside. But thank you very much for watching. Please take the time out to give the video a thumbs up. It's only a small gesture, costs nothing and it really helps the channel, so if you do that I'd be really grateful. Also, if you're not a subscriber to MCM Outdoor Show, why not subscribe? There's going to be plenty more content to come, and if you like this, you like what's to come on the channel. If you're a Facebook user, there's an MCM Outdoor Show group on there. Go and join that. It's full of like-minded people who love the outdoors, and there's a wealth of knowledge and experience in the group. If you've got any questions, just ask, and there's always someone that knows the answer. Instagram, if you're an Instagram user, we are on Instagram also. So what it's all about today, just getting out there, enjoying the outdoors, whatever the weather, being safe, being sensible, but having fun as well at the same time. It's a cracking one, and I can't wait to go and sit by the fire now. So I will see you on the next adventure. Go and enjoy our great outdoors, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everyone. Even the name has a magic challenge. Words cannot adequately describe the rare charm of Catbells, nor its ravishing view. But no publicity is necessary. Its mere presence in the Derwent water scene is enough.